In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image to the header in Squarespace. By the end, you'll have a polished header area with a custom image that sets the tone for your entire site. Before we start, make sure you have a high-quality image ready on your computer. A wide, horizontal image works best for header areas. Aim for something around 2,000 to 2,500 pixels wide, saved as a compressed JPG or PNG so your site loads quickly. Open your site in the Squarespace editor and navigate to the page where you want the header background to appear. Move your cursor over the top section of the page, the one that sits right beneath your site's navigation, and click Edit Section. This opens the section settings panel, typically on the left side of the screen. You'll see controls tailored to this specific section of the page, which is exactly where the header background image will live. In the section settings, click Background. This is the area where you control the visual canvas behind your header content. It's designed to make it easy to add imagery that stretches edge to edge, and it automatically adapts to different screen sizes so you don't have to worry about manual sizing for desktop and mobile. Next, choose Add an Image. This brings up the image picker so you can select a new file for the background. If you already have images in your site library, you'll see them here. Otherwise, you're just one click away from bringing in a new file from your computer. Click Upload File. Then browse to the image you prepared earlier and select it. Once the upload finishes, your background image will appear immediately behind the header area in the live preview. Give it a moment to render, especially if the file is large. You should now see your header content, like your site title, logo, or navigation, overlaid on top of your new image. Take a moment to assess contrast and readability. If your text or logo feels hard to read against the photo, consider using an image with more negative space or a softer texture. Choosing a photo with a clear focal area helps frame your brand elements and keeps the design clean. Keep file size modest for faster load times. As a general guideline, under a megabyte is ideal and smaller is even better when quality allows. That's it. Your header now has a custom background image. Preview your page on different screen sizes to ensure it looks great across devices, and you're all set. Thanks for watching and enjoy your refreshed header design.